Guys, this day is a wonderful celebration of a beautiful union between two fantastic people.
There's one thing after speaking to Catherine that she really said to me, and it really stuck to my heart because I know where she's come from, how much she's grown from all the situations that she's been through. The one thing that she said to me that I really felt that every single person should have in their life is that support system. And she said to me, you know what, Grace? Akeem gives me the confidence to be myself.
To Catherine and Akeem, I love you guys. I've known Catherine longer than she has known her own self. But, and the person that she is unapologetically herself. She's very comfortable in her own skin. And she would have needed someone who is also able to be unapologetically themselves. And that's Akeem. He knows what he wants. He knows what and that's why he only said to mom and dad, this is the girl.
I've seen how much he loves this woman, and in the way he is with her, it has taught me to be a better man.
Honestly, genuinely, I am incredibly thankful to God for your life, Kat. You are incredible. You're Akeem's missing rib.
Do you know on LinkedIn you see the one thing that no other social media shows, who viewed your profile? And every day she kept viewing my profile. I was like, that's a bit odd. Is this a bug? So, you can't defend yourself. You haven't got the mic. Yeah? I got the mic. Yeah? As a man who's just hit 30, genuinely, this is the greatest gift of my adult life, my greatest gift of my life. But I'm so happy that I can sit with all the negatives, because I've had negatives. There's been ups and downs that you wouldn't believe, but there hasn't been any negative that will even come close to being anything near as bad at all to match the greatest gift and the happiness that I have for you. Genuinely.
Sitting 99 standing, oh my God, oh. I get money before, no be property, oh. Waiting for Danfo, waiting for Uber and Okada. No be so me, I want to live, oh. I got to get the dollar.